In this video, we're going to show you how to calculate project profitability using time logs. If you've been trying to figure out how to measure profitability more accurately, or want to make sure you're not losing money on projects, this method is a must-know. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'll also share a tool that's going to make this process much easier, and you'll get an exclusive free trial just for watching. First, let's talk about the basics. To calculate project profitability using time logs, you need two things: the total cost of the project and the revenue generated. The time logs you're tracking should reflect how many hours have been spent on the project and the hourly rate for those working on it. By analyzing these two elements, you'll be able to assess whether the project is really profitable or if there are areas where you're losing money. Start by pulling up the time logs for your project. These logs should show how many hours each team member has worked. If you've been tracking it accurately, you'll also have the rate they're being paid per hour. Now, let's calculate the total cost of the project by multiplying the hours worked by each person's hourly rate. Add up these amounts for all your team members to get the total cost. Next, compare that total cost to the revenue the project is expected to generate. If the revenue is higher than the cost, great, the project is profitable. If the costs are higher than expected, you'll need to make adjustments, whether that's finding ways to reduce hours or re-evaluating your pricing structure. Now, let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're running a project and your team logs 150 hours. If the average hourly rate is $50, then the total cost of the project is $7,500. If the revenue from the project is $10,000, the profitability would be $12,500. That's the simple way to calculate project profitability using time logs. But how do you know if your costs are reasonable? This is where software comes into play. The software we'll be using makes tracking these hours and costs incredibly simple. It automatically syncs with your team's time logs, and you can instantly see how much you've spent compared to the expected revenue. If you want to follow along with a similar tool, I've left a link in the description below for an exclusive free trial. You won't find this offer anywhere else, so be sure to check it out. Let's take a moment to talk about a key takeaway from today. Calculating project profitability using time logs is about being proactive. By regularly reviewing your time logs and comparing them to the project's revenue, you can quickly identify any potential issues before they become major problems. The key is to always track hours accurately and make adjustments as needed. To recap, calculating project profitability involves tracking time logs accurately, multiplying those hours by the appropriate hourly rates, comparing the total cost to your revenue, and then evaluating the results. If your project costs exceed the revenue, it's time to reevaluate. Don't forget to use the software mentioned to streamline the process. One last reminder, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a tool that will save you time and help you calculate profitability much more easily. Thanks for watching.